Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KS Academy. In today's lecture we are solving a plane stress plate in ABAQUS. First we go to part, then create a plane stress plate 2D planar shell increase to 2000, continue. After clicking on this, click on rectangle, give a proper dimension. It should be 300 and this should be 150. Now we create a hole on this rectangular plate by clicking on circle, clicking on this, click, then give a radius 30 mm. From dimension from this point to this point is 150, okay, and from this point to this point is 75, is this is also okay. The circle is in center. Then click on done. The 2D shell truss element will be created. Now we create a property by clicking on this. Click on this, create new mechanical property, elasticity 200 GPa, Poisson ratio 0.3, steel, consider steel, click OK. Then create a homogeneous plane stress strain thickness, give a proper thickness, we give 10 thickness. By clicking on this, then we assign the section 1. Okay, the property is assigned to the section. Now we go to assembly part. Here we can see independent mesh or on instance. Click on OK. Then click on step part, create a journal, a new step, journal, static journal, geometric nonlinear effect is off. Then create, there is no interaction, apply load. We apply a boundary condition here. By clicking on this, apply in x direction u1 100 minus 100. Then similarly to apply on this portion, clicking on this u1, here we can give only 100 because this is in positive direction. Now we apply a mesh, go to part, cannot be assigned, so we apply a mesh here, apply, increase to 25, Okay. Then apply mesh. The mesh is so irregular. So we increase to middle axis by clicking on OK, delete mesh, then we apply mesh. You can see the mesh is properly applied on the plate. Now here click on this. Here you can see plane stress problem. By clicking on OK, then create a job. Plane stress plate. Submit. Monitor. It takes a time. Now the process is complete. The job is in running. The job is completed. Now we see the result. Here you can see the result of plate. This is presses S1 direction, S2 direction, and stresses S3 will be none, 0, because this is 2D plate. S1 2 direction, this is deformation, and corner is deformation is maximum. Reaction force on these corners. Symbols, deformation symbols. This is compression. See the proper loads apply on both sides to expand the hole. Deform. Symbol for stresses. Here you can see the maximum stresses produced around the hole. Here you can see the red arrow. This is the whole process of truss analysis. Here you can see the maximum plane stresses, plane strain, etc. E strain, here you can see the strain, etc. This is the whole lecture of plane stress problem.